In this lesson, we want to learn how to expand brackets in mathematics. We'll use the acronym FOIL. F is first, O is outside, I is inside, and L is last. So if we are given an expression to expand 2x plus 3 and then 4x plus 5 to expand, this is the key word, to expand, we use FOIL. This method, what we do is we distribute. We multiply this and that, 2 and 2x and 5. Plus the next item we multiply is 3 and 4x. And lastly, we multiply 3 and 5. This gives 2x times 4x plus. The next thing is to multiply 2x and 5. 2x times 5 plus 3 and 4x. 3 times 4x plus 3 and 5. So we multiply 3 by 5. Indicating the acronym, we have, this is the first, this is the outer terms, this is the inner or the inside terms, and this is the last term. 2x times 4x gives us 8x squared plus 2x times 5 gives us 10x plus 3 times 4x gives us 12x plus 3 times 5, which is the last term, gives us 15. What we do now is to collect like terms. 12x and 10x are like terms. So we get 8x squared plus 10x plus 12x gives us 22x, and the last term is plus 15. This is how we multiply or we expand the bracket. Let's take another example before we go to the method 2. And the next example is expand 3x minus 2 times 2x plus 5. We use the same approach. 3 multiplies 2, 3x multiplies 5. The next is to multiply minus 2 and 2x. And lastly, we multiply minus 2 and 5. We get 3x multiplied by 2x, that is the first item, plus 3x, and we multiply this by 5, that is the outer terms, plus the inner is minus 2 times 2x, plus the last term is minus 2 times 5. This gives us, this is the first term, this is the outer, this term here would give us the inner, and we have the last term. 3x times 2x will give us 6x squared plus 3x and 5 will give us 15x plus minus 2 times 2x would give us, let me put that in a bracket, minus 4x plus minus 2 times 5 will give us minus 10. We can now group like terms. We get 6x squared plus 15x minus 4x will give us 11x minus the last term is 10. So this is how we expand the bracket. To method 2. We move on to method 2. And this approach we use a table. So if we are to expand 2x plus 3 and 4x plus 5, we can draw a table. I'm not drawing to scale. We are multiplying. We have 2x and 3, that's the first term, and we have 4x and 5. What we do is to multiply 4x and 2x, that gives us 8x squared. 4x times 3 gives us 12x, and the next thing is to multiply 5 and 2x. That gives us 10x. And 5 times 3 gives us 15. Now the next step is to add everything in square in red. Everything in the square in red we add. So we have 8x squared plus 12x plus 10x plus 15. At this point, what we do is to group like terms. We have 8x squared plus 12 plus 10x is 22x plus 15. This is the same result we got in the first method. Good. We can proceed to try and solve the second question or the second example with this method. Example 3, we do a more difficult one. 2a squared plus 5, 3a plus 4. Expand. To expand this, we use the same approach as FOIL. We multiply the first term here by that. The next thing is to multiply 2a squared and 4. We take the next item is the inner terms 5 and 3a, and the last term is to multiply 5 and 4. This is the method we have been using, FOIL. So we get 2a squared multiplying 3a plus 2a squared times 4. Plus the inner terms, we have 5 times 3a, and the last term is 5 times 4. So this is our first term, the outer, inner, and the last term. 2a squared times 3a would give us 6a raised to the power 3 plus 2a squared times 4 will give us 8a squared plus 5 times 3a would give us 15a plus 25 times 4 is 20. Are there any like terms to group? No. We have 6a cubed and 8a squared plus 15a. These are not like terms, so this is our final answer. You can pause the video and try example 4. Expand 3a squared b plus 3 and 4ab minus 2a. Pause the video and see if you can do this. Your answer should be 12a cubed b squared minus 6a cubed b plus 12ab minus 6a. This should be your answer. B, expand 3a squared plus b, 2b plus a. Pause the video and see if you can do this. Your answer should be 6a squared b plus 3a cubed plus 2b squared plus ab. If you were able to do this, you have mastered how to expand brackets. If you liked this video, please click the subscription button and also leave us a comment in the comment section. Your comments are welcome so we can improve the channel. Thank you.